Hello everyone, I hope everyone are doing fine. So today we will be seeing questions on classes and objects, and we have collected three questions on this topic so that you guys can understand this topic very easily. So in first question, let us see what we need to do. Write a rectangle class in Python language, allowing you to build a rectangle with length and width attributes. Okay, so we need to create a class with attributes length and width, and we need to create perimeter method to calculate the perimeter, area method to calculate the area of the rectangle. So we need to create two functions inside the class, that is perimeter and area. And we also need to create display function which displays the length, width, perimeter and area of an object. Okay, so let us go into Visual Studio Code and let's write class rectangle. Let's write constructor length comma width, self dot length equal to length, self dot width equal to width, and let us write perimeter. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 star self dot length plus self dot width. Right, it is correct, right? 2 into L plus W. Okay, and area, and what is the area? The area should return self dot length star self dot width, L into W, right? And we need to create display function, display self. We need to print what it should display: length, width, area and perimeter, right? Length, what is the length? Self dot length, print width, self dot width, and next area. What is the area? We are using this function which is present inside the rectangle class, right? So what we're going to do is just use that rectangle dot area and self, print perimeter, rectangle dot perimeter of self, and let us create an object 1 equal to rectangle of, let us just take 5,6 as an example, 5 length and 6 width. Okay, and let us use the display function. So let us see what is happening here. Yes, we got the output. Let me run it again. Yes, we got it. So we gave length as 5, width as 6. Okay, so length is equal to 5, width is equal to 6, and area. What is the area? Area is returning self dot length star self dot width, that is 5 into 6, 30. And what is the parameter? Perimeter 2 into L plus B, 2 into 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 6? 11. 11 2 is 22, right? So this is what the first question is. So here we're just calling this method and it is returning this value into this one. Into this line, this value is being returned. And into this line, this value is being returned. Okay, so we just created an object and we just call the display function. Okay, so have you guys got it? What is the first question? And now let us go into second question. Let us see what is the second question. Define a book class with following attributes: title, author and price. And define a constructor, use it to initialize attributes of values entered by the user. Okay, set the view method to display information for the current book. Write a program to test the book class. Okay, so we need to write a program for this book class. First we need to write class book and constructor self, and what are the attributes? Title, author name and price. Title, let us just check author and price. self dot title equal to title, self dot author equal to author, self dot price equal to price. And what else we need to do now? We did the first two things, right? Define a constructor is that one is completed. Set the view method to display the information for the current book. So we just need to write another method, view, and it should display the whole thing, right? Print, let us just write the title of book is, what is the title? Self dot title, and this one is AU. And the author name is self dot author. Print, the price is self dot price, and that's it. Let us just create an object and let us pass the title as title1, and let us write the author name as author1, and let us just write the price as 500. Now let us use this view function in order to display all these things. Let us just run it. Yes, we got the output. Okay, so this is how the second question is supposed to do. And now let us see. Let us see the third one. Create a class triangle. Its init method should take self, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 as arguments. Make sure these are appropriately in the body of init method. So what they're asking is, first we need to write a triangle class, and inside the constructor we need to have three things as arguments: angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. Okay, create a variable name and number of sides and set equal to 3, and we need to create a name variable and we should set it to 3. And next, create a method name check angles. The sum of triangles, three angles, it should be 180. Then it should return true, or else it should return false. Okay, so what is happening here is we need to create a class with certain attributes, and you need to create a variable number of sides, that is, and the value is fixed, that is equal to 3. And we need to create a method check angles, and if the sum of three provided angles is equal to 180, we need to return true, or else we need to return false. Okay, and let us start the program. Py class triangle self comma angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, self dot angle 1 equal to angle 1, angle 2 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 3. Okay, and let us just write the variable here. Number of sides equal to 3, and let us just write the method check angles self if self dot angle 1 plus self dot angle 2 plus self dot angle 3 is equal to number of sides. Let us just make it here, and let us just write self dot number of sides. Okay, or else what we're gonna do is, let us just make this thing global. Let us go here and put this thing here, and let us remove the self. Then what we should return? True. Or else what we should return? False. That's it. Let us just create an object. Object1 equal to triangle of, let us just pass 90, 60, 30. And let us print obj1 dot check angles. We got false. Why we got false? Number of sides equal to 3. Okay, so this is 180, right? Number of sides is fixed as 3, right? And the angles we are supposed to check. We are not supposed to check the sides, right? According to question, we are supposed to check the angles, and sum equal to 180, right? And now it will run. True. 90 plus 60 plus 30 is 180, right? Now let us just make it 15 and let us check this. False. Yes, we got it, right? So this is the assignment on classes and objects, and next we'll be seeing assignments on different topic. Thank you for watching this.